If your Steam is showing no internet connection while downloading or updating a game, don't worry, here's a quick fix. First, click on the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Now, paste the command I've given in the description and press Enter. If it asks for an API key, open the website from the description, generate your API key, copy it, and paste it into PowerShell. Next, it will ask for the Steam app ID. To find it, open Steam, go to Library, right-click your game, click Properties, go to Updates section, you'll see the app ID. Enter that app ID in PowerShell and press Enter. Now it will start downloading the required files automatically. Once done, press any key to exit. After that, restart Steam and click Resume or Update. That's it, your issue should now be fixed. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more quick fixes.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take